Bringing a single new drug to market requires a 10 to 15-year commitment. Pharmaceutical developers spend billions of dollars on this life cycle, yet 9 out of 10 candidate molecules still fail before reaching regulatory approval. General purpose AI chatbots struggle with this bottleneck because they are designed to process language semantics. They predict the next logical word in a sentence, but lack an inherent understanding of the biophysical laws that govern how macromolecules fold and interact. Resolving this friction requires a new architecture, systems capable of reasoning through the constraints of physical science rather than simply generating plausible text. OpenAI is addressing these fragmented workflows with GPT-Rosalind. Named for chemist Rosalind Franklin, it represents a new class of domain-specific AI. This marks the emergence of vertical AI, hyper-specialized reasoning engines built for a single industry's demands. GPT-Rosalind treats complex biology as a data orchestration problem, connecting scientific literature, complex genomic sequences, and experimental data into a single coherent research chain. The model's unified cognitive architecture collapses the silos that traditionally separated bioinformaticians, chemists, and literature reviewers. It removes the need for manual data translation at every stage of the preclinical pipeline. To turn reasoning into action, OpenAI launched the Codex Life Sciences plugin. This engine connects the model's logic to real-world laboratory tools, linking directly to over 50 biological databases, including AlphaFold and PubMed, without manual API authentication. In practice, this allows for a fully autonomous 18-minute workflow. The system pulls a UniProt ID, renders a 3D AlphaFold protein model, and maps live PubMed evidence. By replacing manual data retrieval at every stage, this orchestrator compresses 3 days of human research into less than 20 minutes. Evaluating vertical AI requires testing it against domain-specific benchmarks that measure actual problem-solving rather than textbook recall. This chart highlights LabBench 2 results, where GPT-Rosalind outperformed general-purpose models in tasks such as cloning QA. In a Dino Therapeutics trial, the model was tested on unpublished RNA sequences to ensure it reasoned through novel data rather than simply repeating training material. On sequence-to-function prediction tasks, GPT-Rosalind ranked above the 95th percentile of human experts. These metrics confirm that the system generates novel, expert-level biophysical logic, effectively solving research problems that require multi-step physical reasoning. This graphic contrasts our current broad market approach with the highly targeted medicine of the future. Vertical AI is the catalyst for this change, though it impacts the industry from two different directions. Brand name innovator pharmaceutical companies use these reasoning engines to accelerate target discovery and keep their drug pipelines full as older patents expire. Simultaneously, generic competitors use the same tools to rapidly design formulation workarounds and challenge existing patents with greater speed and accuracy. For both the inventors and the competitors, vertical AI fundamentally compresses the timelines of the strategic drug market. This level of molecular engineering capability presents a significant biosecurity hazard. A system that can design novel reagents for curing disease can also be directed toward engineering pathogens. To mitigate this risk, OpenAI restricts the model to a trusted access program, limiting its use to vetted U.S. enterprise customers rather than making it available to the general public. Access requires operating within regulated, HIPAA-aligned workspaces where safety reviews and corporate audits ensure the model is used according to strict security protocols. Scientific capability of this caliber is now gated by corporate compliance and biosecurity vetting, prioritizing controlled safety over open academic access. The shift from a slow, manual 15-year pipeline to an orchestrated 18-minute workflow marks a permanent change in how we conduct research. The era of the general-purpose chatbot is ending for high-stakes research. We are moving past systems that try to be everything for everyone. GPT-Rosalind proves that the future belongs to highly specialized reasoning engines, purpose-built to solve the most difficult problems in physical science.